Look what happens when the egg comes out with these white fibers. It is well known to everyone that the egg is one of the most beneficial foods of all. Its versatility and preparation, its ease to be combined with anything is essential in the kitchen in the professional as in the rural. The egg is extremely delicious and both the yolk and the clear is ideal for the health of our body, interior and exterior. Eggs have different ways of being cooked, that is, we can eat eggs, boiled, fried, boiled, scrambled, lukewarm, and more. Each form of being prepared is a different way of taking advantage of all its benefits. However, there are things that people still do not know, even if the egg is eaten daily and everyone knows how to prepare it. This time we will talk about an aspect of the egg that is extremely nutritious and that many people do not know. In addition, the egg is essential for the preparation of desserts, as an important ingredient inside the cakes, quesillos, sweets and other desserts. This is why this food is highly demanded and should never be lacking in the home. When you break an egg to be cooked, it is difficult to observe it well since all its contents fall at once and cooked instantly. But if you look carefully, there is an aspect that we always overlook and it is time to tell you what it means. When we are cooking an egg we can observe in some cases that they present a kind of fibrous mass between the yolk and the white. If you have ever wondered what it is, we will bring you the answer. If you have never seen it, we invite you to next time you cook an egg it details very well. This fiber is not at sight, but if we fry the egg it is possible to see it has a name. It is called chalaza and it turns out to be very beneficial, since it indicates that the egg that we are cooking is quite fresh and has many nutrients for our health. We know that the eggs have an early expiration date. The chalaza indicates that there is still time for the egg and that it is rich in benefits.